Endeavour has a firm handshake with Mr. Hubble's telescope.
If you live in the Northern Hemisphere, it's a pretty good bet that you can find the Big Dipper. It's actually part of a larger constellation known as Ursa Major, the Great Bear.
Well, there it is up there, old Ursa Major, the so-called Big Dipper, about to dump a bucket of cosmic fluid on my head. Over here is the handle part. Here, I think, is where you can begin to see the cup shape. Take the two outermost stars of that cup. There's the lower one, there's the upper one. 2 points describe a line. Keep going down that line, and eventually you will come to Polaris, the so-called North Star. That's where we start the polar alignment of telescopes.
This rather complicated looking gizmo here is an equatorial mount. It's really not too difficult once you kind of got the basic concepts. First thing you need to know is the Earth's basically a top. If you imagined standing on the North Pole, it's a top spinning, and directly above you is Polaris, and that's the axis point. Since we're not all living on the pole, a mount like this is designed to work with you whatever your latitude on Earth, from the equator all the way up to very high latitudes. Once you've located that, basically you want to aim this axis here northwards. There's a scale on most telescopes. This is the latitude scale. This corresponds to where you are on the Earth, north and south. And here in the San Francisco, San Jose Bay Area, we're at 38 degrees north latitude. So if you can see there, I'm maybe a little under. I'm at probably 36 degrees. So I want to raise the polar axis up a little bit. What I do is loosen one, tighten the other, and it'll slowly raise up the altitude here until I'm at about 38, right about there. I'll say that's good enough. If you want to really fine-tune it, look through the polariscope while you're doing the adjustments and get Polaris right in the reticle, exactly where it says, and you'll be dead on polar aligned.